Still in cabin one. I came back to turn all the lights off. Didn't feel I spent enough time in the kitchen. Microwave, looks like granite or some form of countertop. Well, it might actually be, it might be Formica. I'm not sure what this countertop is. I'll have to research that. It's got to be something. It's not stone. Looks like stone, but there's, somebody must have put a pot there or something. There's a pretty good mark there. Refrigerator, freezer. Dishwasher. Looks relatively new. Frigidaire. The stove is Whirlpool. Very, very clean. Little spot in the back, but it's cleaner than mine right now. The stone fireplace. It's very nice. We would definitely need to have a chimney inspection done just to make sure everything is okay. Interesting, they have a, I can't think of the name of the stone right now. Kind of a cross up there too. Interesting, but very pretty.